5 mistakes that you are making in 2025 that are not allowing you to score enough in your read aloud. Number 1 is you speak too fast. A lot of students tend to think that if they speak faster, their fluency will be better and then they will get good score in their speaking module, which is absolutely not right. Speaking faster has nothing to do with your fluency. Hence, speaking faster will only impact you negatively. Number 2, you speak too slow. In this way, if some students tend to think that if they speak too slow, they will be able to improve their pronunciation, which may be right, but the problem is in the process they create disconnected, unnatural speech. Number 3, they do not take appropriate pauses. A lot of students think if they do not take pauses, it makes them more natural in the system, but actually that's not right. They need to stop in places like full stop and comma in order to create natural speech. Otherwise, what happens is we create false start, which is an unnatural way to speak. Another mistake students make is that they speak too loudly. In the exam environment, you will have a lot of students, at least 5 to 10 students sitting in one exam room. So students think if they actually speak louder, they will be more audible in the system. But the problem is if they speak too loudly, their speech becomes a high-pitched delivery, which actually hampers their overall score because the ability for the system to understand stressed and non-stressed words are actually deteriorated if they speak too loudly. Another problem is they do not click next when they finish. It is important that you click next when you finish your read aloud. This way you will ensure that there is no long pauses in your speech. So here are the 5 mistakes. Quickly again, you speak too fast, or you speak too slow, or you do not take enough pauses, or you speak too loud, and of course another one is you do not click next once you're done. Thank you.